Hello viewers, today we will solve the remove nth node from the end of the list. This is the LeetCode 19 question which is medium but it is quite easy. So there is a linked list given and nth node means there is an nth node given, you just have to remove it from the end. Okay, so if there isn't 2 given, you just have to return 1 or 2 means from last second node. If there isn't 3 is given, you just have to count from last 1 2 3. So you just have to return delete the 3th node from the end. Okay, so this is very quite simple question. Let's solve it. First you have to create int L. L is basically used to find the length of a linked list. Okay, so I just have to traverse through linked list node start temp. It is put on a head, and while temp is not equals to null, you just have to move forward. Okay, temp equals to temp ka next and temp ka next, and then also you have to increment the L. Okay, by 1. So in that way you just find the length of a linked list, and you just have to remove the nth node. So you just find the length of a list, and then int k equal first you have to put the condition if n equals to L. Then you just have to return, you just have to head equals to head ka next, and then return the head. Okay, after that you just have to find the int k. Int k is basically if there is suppose the length is 5. Okay, 5, there is in 5 length. Okay, the L equals to 5, and you just have to return the last second node. So the value of k will be let's suppose length is 5 and you just have to return the second last node. So you just have to subtract it, and you will get the you will get the 3. So in that way you just traverse through the first 3 node, means the value of k is equals to length minus n. Okay, so L minus n, and then after you have to put the temp equals to head, because the temp is at the end. You just have to put it on again on a head, so it will traverse easily. Then put the for int I equals to 0 and I less than k, and I plus plus, and then you have to traverse temp equals to temp ka next. Okay, after that when you reach at that position, means you reached at that position by traversing through that for this loop. After that you just have to move the temp ka next pointer equals to temp ka next. Okay, so temp next pointer is equals to temp ka next. Okay, you just have to move it, and then after that you just have to return the head, because function is a list node type, so you just have to return the head at the end. So just run it whether it is working properly or not. Yeah, this is working properly, so let's submit it. Yeah, it is submitting. So thank you for this.